Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're beginning now. Check that your phone supports the 5G bands your carrier uses and make sure firmware is current. Next, verify your plan is 5G enabled and your physical SIM or eSIM is activated. This is why connection fails otherwise. Then open cellular settings, turn on mobile data, and select a 5G or 5G/auto network mode. Once done, your handset will scan and attach to nearby 5G cells. This first phase gets you onto the new radio. Now you refine the link. Confirm the APN and carrier profile match the plan so data sessions authenticate properly. If you update APN, restart the device to re-establish sessions. Make sure power-saving modes aren't throttling the radio. Disable aggressive battery limits because 5G can require sustained throughput. Also, physically move toward a window or higher floor. Radio propagation matters. Once optimized, run a quick speed test to validate throughput and latency, and note which spots give the best performance. Finish by validating real-world performance. Run a speed test, stream video, and upload a file to confirm upload and latency behavior. If you don't get expected 5G, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a fresh attach, then reinsert the SIM and restart. These steps clear session conflicts. If problems persist, reset network settings as a deeper step. And if that still fails, contact your carrier, provide IMEI, the cell timing or signal levels, and recent tests so they can trace the radio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.